Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten Roblox password on PC. So let's begin. Now here I am in the Roblox login page. Now here, if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password or username. After that, you need to insert your email or username or phone number. So I'm going to insert my username. After that, I'm going to click on next. As you can see, my username was found. Now I need to enter my email or phone number. After that, I will need to fetch the 6-digit verification code from my email address. So let me do that. So as you can see, I have received an email from Roblox, which kind of looks like this, and they have sent me a 6-digit OTP code. So this is the OTP code right here. Make sure to copy this code. After that, I will paste down the code here, and then I will need to insert my new password over here. And then I will need to confirm my current password. Now as you can see, the update password button is activated. If you click on this update password button, your password will be changed. That's how you can reset your forgotten Roblox password on PC. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.